What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. Right next to me is the one and only ZL1 babe in our HQ here in Anaheim, California. What is she up to? What is she adding? Well, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and show you guys some highlights of her vehicle first and show you what we're going to be accomplishing on her build today. To Echelon Autosports for completing this amazing Umbra purple and black wrap on ZL1's babe's car. It's really popping, which is going all around with the purple and fading right to the back of being murdered out black. This thing's really aggressive. It was all purple before. They killed it, removed everything, and gave her this new look on her car. So if you guys are in Arizona, hit them up for your local wraps. They're doing amazing quality work, and I highly recommend them for you guys. Well, if you guys haven't guessed yet, so she has her middle scoop upgraded to carbon fiber. Yes, she's in for a carbon fiber modification upgrade. Can it be the front lip, the canards, the bezels? Can it be the lower grille? Can it be something in the back, on the side? Can you guys guess in the comments? Let us know before we start to get to work. See if you can get the product that she ordered and installed by us today correct. Let's see what you guys got. If you guys haven't known or seen, we now offer a full-on legit mirror cup component in full carbon fiber. As you can see, this is the stock one that we removed on ZL1 babe's passenger mirror, and we're gonna go ahead and install it on the passenger side as well. This thing right here, guys, is way better than adding a double-sided 3M on top of it, so it doesn't create that extra layer. We wanna make sure we accomplish flush fitment for her, good quality finish, and of course, a carbon fiber composite that's gonna be rocking on her ZL1. There you guys have it. As you can see, ZL1 babe is fully equipped with the carbon fiber mirror cups on her vehicle, giving it that luxury, sporty look that it deserves. As you can see, she's got the whole middle scoop in carbon fiber to match it, and as well with the back carbon fiber spoiler. This wrap, guys, is amazing. You got the Umbra look going to contrast with some gloss black, the calipers in purple, and finishing it off, just looking at the gloss glare of the carbon fiber on the driver's side just touches and hits the spot. This is a must-have. We do have it available for the RS all the way to ZL1 owners. If you're a dim option ZL1 SS1LE, you have to let us know. And if you're not a dim option, we do also have it. So it will be available on the website for you guys to select if you have the dim option driver's side mirror or not. Either or, it's still available. No more stick-on double-sided stuff. It's a legit component, and I can't wait to share it with you guys on this build what we're gonna be doing more. What do you guys think we should add next on ZL1's babe's ZL1 right behind me? What do you guys think? The front bumper package carbon fiber, the rear, the interior, some side action? Give us some comments, some feedback. We would love to hear you guys down below and let us know what should this beautiful ZL1 add next.